Hello everybody. Today we're gonna talk about the triangle. Okay, here what is a triangle? It's a polygon which has three sides. Okay, a triangle is a polygon, three sides, and it has three vertices and three angles. And the number of vertices equals the number of angles equals the number of sides. Okay, what is the acute angle? Its measure is less, it's an angle, its measure is less than 90. And what is the right angle? It's an angle, its measure is equals 90. And what is the obtuse angle? The obtuse angle is more than 90. Okay. Here, the measure of interior angles of any triangle is equals what? It must equals 180. So, any triangle has at least two acute angles. Okay, can it have more than two acute angles? Yes, in the equilateral triangle it has three acute angles. Okay, but at least it has two acute angles. To find the type of triangle, you have to look at the three angles and look at the greatest angle. If the greatest angle equals 90, it means it's right angle triangle. And if the greatest angles equals more than 90, it means what? It means it's obtuse angle triangle. And if it is equals less than 90, it means it has its acute angle triangle. Okay, the type of triangle according to its length side. Okay, first of all I have the scalene triangle. This is scalene triangle. It has no equal side. So if I have here this one, it may be 5 centimeter, and this one 4, and this one 3. So it has three different sides. They are not equal. And then we go to the isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle, it has two equals angles, only two. Okay, and the third one is different, like this. It has two here. This side equal this side, maybe 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and this one will be 4. So it's what? It's a isosceles triangle. And the third one is which we called it equilateral triangle. What is the equilateral triangle? It has all sides are equals. Okay, equilateral triangle are also isosceles triangle. Yes, because it has all sides, only two sides in the isosceles are equals. Okay, but the isosceles triangle not necessary to be equilateral triangle. Yes, of course. Okay, the equilateral triangle, its angles are equal in measure. Equals what? 60. So its sides are equals, and its angles, its acute angle triangle, and its angle equals 60 in measure. Okay, the type of triangles according to measure of its angles. I have three types of angles, so I have three types of triangle according to its angle. The first one is acute angle triangle. As you can see here, this is an acute angle, and this is the acute angle, and this is the acute angle. Oh, the three are acute angle, so it's acute angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, of course it has right angle. When I see here like this, it has right angle. And then okay, obtuse angle triangle. So the angle here is more than 90. Only one obtuse angle in the triangle. Okay, how to identify the type of triangle according to its measure. Okay, we look at the greatest angle. The greatest angle in measure in the triangle. If it is right angle, so I call it what? Triangle. Okay, if it's right angle triangle. and if it is the greatest angle is acute, so it's what, it's an acute angle triangle. And if the third is the greatest is obtuse, so we call it an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, look here. What is the type of the following triangle according to its sides and angles? The two. Okay, look here. I have here 5 centimeter, and here 5 centimeter, and here 5 centimeter, and here 5 centimeter. So we call this triangle is what, according to each side, it's what, it's equilateral triangle. And according to each angle, can you see here, this is acute angle here, and acute angle here, and acute angle here. So it's acute angle triangle, and it's equilateral triangle. So according to each angle, acute angle triangle, and according to each side, it's what, it's equilateral triangle. Let's see here. I have what here, all sides are different here, 10, 8 and 6. So this triangle we called it what, scalene triangle. Okay, and according to its angles, it's what, can we see here, this is obtuse angle, so we called it here obtuse angle triangle. And according to each side, it's what, it's scalene triangle. Okay, let's see another example here, 5, 4 and 4. So I have here, we know that we have 4 centimeter here and 4 centimeter here, so it's what, it's a isosceles triangle. Okay, and here, because it has 2 sides, and I can see here, I can see right angle triangle, I can see right angle, so we call it what, right angle triangle, and it's isosceles triangle. Okay, let's see, there's another examples to know. As we know here, all the measure of the interior angles of any triangle is what, equals 180. Right. If I have 2 angles and I don't have the third one, what should I do? Okay, this is very easy. All I have to do is what, to add the 2 angles together. Okay, and then the result I subtracted from 180. Why 180? Because the interior angles in any triangles equals what, the measure of interior angles equals 180. So first step, I have to what, I have to add these 2 angles, and then I have to subtract it from 180. Let's see here, 180 minus the adding of the 2 angles, so the result, the third one will be 77. And I want to check my answer. I have to do what, I have to do this angle 68 plus 35 plus 77. If I got 180, my answer is right. Okay, look here, 44 and 84, and I want the third. What should I do? First step, I have to add these 2 angles, 44 and 84, and then the result will be subtracted from the 180. Okay, okay, here xy, this is triangle xy and yz, and xy and sides, and yz and xz. Okay, here I want you to measure each side, so let's measure it. Okay, use your ruler and measure. This side is 6 centimeter, and this side is 8 centimeter, and this side is what, is 10 centimeter. So can you see here, I have a different I have a different side, so we called it what, scalene triangle. Okay, and here I can see what, I can see here right angle triangle, so we call it, it's right angle triangle and scalene triangle. Okay, here I want to measure the angle. I use my protractor to measure the angle here. Here, x, angle x equals what? Can you see? Angle x equals 60 here. Okay, and then angle y. Angle y equals right angle triangle. It's what? 90 here. And then angle z. It may be what? It may be 40. Yes. So here, what is the type of this angle triangle? This is 90. Okay, the greatest one here is 90. So we called it what? Right angle triangle. Okay, thank you.